29 forecast.
And there's the view as we gaze westward toward the Blue Ridge as seen from Carter Mountain. Just a few scattered cumulus clouds out there. They'll continue to dissipate. The sun setting now at 7:17 here this evening. A beautiful day. Of course, yesterday we had some rain. Again, the amounts were fairly light, a tenth to a high end about a quarter of an inch, but nice to see the return of sun today. 78 currently, touched 81 for a high today, 58 the morning low. The air mass is dry, measured by the dew point. We've had northwesterly winds today in the wake of that front, and we've had some gusts that have been around 15-20 miles an hour. 71 current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 75 for a high today. Temperatures were down in the low 50s this morning. It'll be much chillier starting Tuesday morning. Some other readings, we have 74 in Madison, 70 now in Palmyra, 75 in Dillon, 71 in Waynesboro, and the same currently in Harrisonburg. Satellite picture showing you quiet conditions. There's the back edge of the clouds from the frontal system that brought us the rain yesterday, that exiting up across New England. Temperatures here tonight with the wind slackening off, high pressure building closer toward the region and clear skies, upper 40s, low 50s here across central Virginia, at least some mid to upper 40s in the Shenandoah Valley. So some chills to start Tuesday morning, a nice rebound during the afternoon, just a hallmark of basically what we see during September. Upper 70s, low 80s, dry air, pleasant conditions. Matter of fact, not only for Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday as well. Even Friday, although Friday will feature a little bit more cloud cover building in, but right now we largely stay dry until we approach the weekend, and that'll be the next opportunity for some rain, and that'll be contingent upon a coastal storm set to develop. Now I want to show you a couple models. This is the European model showing a little bit of rain. The American GFS model is a little bit more gung-ho on better rain chances, more of a soaking rain Saturday into Sunday. It will be a coastal low. So the coastal low move northbound and move inland, or does it move farther out to sea or just skirt the coast? But that's what we'll be watching, and we'll watch some of those model trends over the next several days. In the meantime, a large area of high pressure building down from the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley will continue to influence our weather. Here's some heavier rain working up through portions of New England. Some of this area hit by what was Lee that impacted Atlantic Canada over the weekend. But again, that system exiting. So some quiet weather here over the next several days, more of a temperature forecast, and you can see some of the cooler air from Chicago to Columbus, and of course pleasant conditions here in the mid-Atlantic. This is Hurricane Nigel, winds of 80 miles an hour. It'll essentially remain a fish storm past well north and east of Bermuda. But on this date, 20 years ago, we had landfalling Hurricane Isabel, did widespread wind damage. It was a quick-moving hurricane. It came ashore near Carteret County, North Carolina. It was still a tropical storm when it was moving into Virginia near Emporia, tracked over Earlysville and continued south and west of Pittsburgh on its way to Cleveland and up into Canada. And of course, aftermath of that, which we well know. 40s and 50s here for Tuesday morning. Pleasant afternoon, upper 70s, low 80s. We'll start Wednesday morning in the 40s and 50s, and then Wednesday afternoon, most of us will top out in the low 80s. So tonight, 40s and 50s, mostly clear, a little bit of patchy fog, especially closer towards some lakes and creeks and streams, and temperatures here the next several days, just easy to take. We'll continue to see a little bit more cloud cover roll in on Friday. Watch those high school and college football game, obviously, but the weekend here, that'll be our next best chance of some rain. And of course, early Saturday morning, welcome autumn.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.